Hello from Dunyans in Balbuffet, giving you a video presentation of the 2015 151 Reg Toyota Auris top of the range XL model, 1.4 D4D diesel, road tax €190 per year. Top of the range XL model, including 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, front fog lights, parking sensors front and rear, LED lights. One previous owner and 84,000 miles in this car with a full service history, and is under Toyota warranty until 2020 or 100,000 miles, whichever occurs first. Fully serviced by ourselves. Car is in spotless condition. Looks very well in deep titanium, which is just off black. Nice alloy wheels, electrically folding wing mirrors, and privacy glass to the rear. Parking sensors to the rear, and also has reverse camera. We have 2 keys, car history check with the car. XL interior, including half leather, electric windows in the rear, genuine Toyota floor mats, driver's armrest, you can see it on behind here. Car has a push button start, so keyless start. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats and your USB jack, 6-speed manual transmission, leather steering wheel with radio controls and Toyota Bluetooth controls. There's the power folding wing mirrors. Car also has self parking, so you just press that button and it reverse parks itself. There's your Toyota Bluetooth. Reverse camera and Toyota nav. Automatic lights and wipers. So if you'd like to inquire about this car, please give myself a ring down on 074 91 31 005. Thank you.